For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube! Try stars are checking again. I'm going to say one more video upon them with one more video, you know what I mean? You know, today I'm going to talk about, you know, that's a typical topic, you know, that's woman in trucking. I just want to talk about woman in trucking. Yo, hear me, all right, listen to the Jamaican. Ladies, listen to the Jamaican. I like to see the ladies around the wheels. To be honest, I'm not hitting on anyone or whatever, but you know, it's like when you look at the trucking industry, it's just a bunch of guys that's driving trucks. So you know, sometimes when they come at a truck stop and you see it, like a lady just actually step out of her truck and you know, maybe going in the truck stop or whatever. It's like I don't know what to say. It's like a maze. It's like you're like sweet. You know what I mean? So I did this video. Like I said, it just you know come into my head, and I'm like, you know what? I just need to talk about it. Ladies, I need to see more woman drivers out here. Okay? If you're young, you're home, and you got some spare time, go to a trucking school and, you know, get out here and let the road be free. You know, and there's the next thing. It's like this. You see, because the ladies have so much power in the world, I should say, you know. Believe it or not, when the lady make certain point, it more look at even more faster than when a man says something, you know what I mean? So you know, when the government coming up with these e-logs and all these things, and you know, if there's a bunch of women say, you know what, this is not gonna work out, you know, they will look into it. But a bunch of guys doing it and not working, we need some help from the ladies, you know what I mean? But you know, put fun and joke aside, you know, seriously, ladies, even baby girl Pink, pick up yourself. You know, she doing her vlog over there. Last time she did a vlog, she was in Texas. You know, but just want to say shout out to all of the truckers girls. You know, the ladies around the wheels. I want to say big respect. Continue to do what you're doing. I don't want to tell you that out here is easy, but it can be once you get to know what you're doing. You know what I mean? So, ladies, they should look into it. Look into come into the industry, man. We need to see more ladies around those Peterbilt wheels and those Freightliner or whatever truck you want to drive. You know, just get you your license, get out here and start going down the road with us. You know what I mean? It's a joy. Like I said, I like even to travel with your spouse or whatever. Even to travel with them and, you know, just get out and be in the environment, you know, with a whole bunch of truckers. You know what I mean? Because to be honest, there's a lot of guys out here in the truck. Like I said before, I'm not like I'm hitting on anyone. You know, it's just a feeling. You know what I mean? It's a joy to see the ladies around the area at times. There's something you're looking to just bear males all over. You know what I mean? You know, with like I said, sometimes like, you know, like you're at a delivery, you go to make a pickup and you see like, you know, a woman get out the truck and go inside for her paperwork and come back in and, you know, go into her truck, start up and be like, oh yeah, all right, cool. You know, she drive out, and when she drive out, she get out and she close the door and off to her journey. I'm like, you go, girl. You know what I mean? I need to see more ladies out here in the truck. That's all I'm saying, you know. Other than that, I just want to say thanks for tuning in, you know, just to listen to wanting to see a woman in the truck. You know what I mean? I need to see, you know, it doesn't really matter, all young, come drive trucks with us. You know, I'm inviting, TriStar is inviting the ladies to come and drive trucks out here, okay? It's not that dangerous, not because it's a big unit. Trust me, as soon as they get around the wheel, as soon as they start to understand whatever, as soon as they start to get familiarized with the whole thing, you will get to know that this thing is not that hard, you know. It's not hard, and you know, it's not like it's because, you know, to be honest, the companies give the ladies some easier work. Like they don't give you guys no crazy stuff to do, you know. They're, you know, just try it, you know, give it a try, give it a shot, you know. Leave me a comment. Tell me what is your biggest fear. Tell me why you wouldn't, or tell me why you would think about it. You know, tell me something. Ladies, talk to me. You know, I need to see you guys out, girls. I need to see you girls out here. Come on, come join us. Okay, Troy Stars inviting you all. Big up and thanks for tuning in. Thank you.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.